Hello everyone, welcome to Link and Learn. Today we are going to discuss the concept of namespaces in Java program. Namespaces are used to avoid the name conflicts. In Java, we use the method of packages in order to implement this namespacing, and also it ensures better code reusability and better management of the classes that you have created. Let's see with an example. In BlueJ IDE, in order to create a package, you just need to simply right click so that you can select the option New Package. You can give a package name. Now, as you can see, I have created a package named Arithmetic. When you open the Arithmetic package, you will be able to see the new namespace that is available. You can right click and click on New Class in order to create a new class. I'm going to create a class called as Calculation. When you double click, you will be able to see the code. For better understanding, I'm just removing the extra code. The first statement, package arithmetic, means that this particular class calculation that I have created belongs to the folder or the package arithmetic. I'm going to define a simple add function which accepts two integer value and return the sum. The return type, function name, and two arguments, integers n1 and integer n2. When this function is called, it is supposed to return n1 plus n2. If you are planning to access this function in any other program, make sure that this function is a public function. I'm going to define one more function to calculate the product of two numbers. So I'm just copy pasting the same function, and instead of add, I'm going to give the name as product, integer n1 n2, and this time this function will return n1 star n2. Save the file, compile the program. As you can see, there is no error. Now you can close. From this interface itself, it is very clear that you are not able to see the calculation class because the calculation class is kept within the arithmetic package. Now I am going to create a new program, demo, remove all the extra code, define the main function. Here I will be trying to use the calculation class that we have created in another package. Public static void main, and now I will try to create the object for the calculation class. As you can see, it is showing an error as of now. That means the program is not able to find this calculation class. So in order to use the calculation class, you have to say that I'm using all the functionalities or the classes that is available in the arithmetic package that I have defined. So you need to import these classes into this demo program. In order to do that, I will write the import statement, import, followed by the package name dot the class semicolon. So this particular statement will help you to bring the calculation class that is defined in the arithmetic package into the demo program. Now I'm trying to call the functions that I have created. Add 2, 3, product 2, 3. You are supposed to use the object c.add and c.product. When you compile the program, you can see that there is no error, and then when you execute, you can see the sum and the product. Thank you.